everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my December Ipsy unbagging. So we'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup, unboxings, try-ons, anything related to that. It would mean the world if you would please click the subscribe button, and then you'll be notified of all my future uploads on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays. And so we'll go ahead and jump right into the bag. So Ipsy bag, home for the holidays, is kind of on the front and talking about being joyful and kind of the festivities of the season. And my first product that I received is the Superhero Mascara. And this is literally a miniature version of the full size. I am not going to open it because I actually have the full size. And let me show you the mascara wand. I do find that this is a little more of a wet formula. So there's the mascara wand. It is a bristle brush that is kind of a tiny bit tapered, but not a lot. So sometimes when I wear this mascara, I do have to go through and kind of separate some of my lashes, or I layer it with a different mascara to kind of get, because I don't like those clumpy lashes. I kind of like those big wispy lashes, but it is a great mascara. I have the full-size version. It's a great mascara. I like it. So travel size, miniature size, giveaway size. It's great. And I did forget to show you, that came on the outside of the bag. So the bag itself is a very beautiful pink kind of terry cloth bag. Inside it is a plasticky, very dark burgundy, and the pull is the same as the inside of there. It is a kind of a leathery with Ipsy on the end bag. So I really do like the bag. I think it's cute. It's kind of reminds me of cozy, fuzzy sweater weather. And we're going to go ahead and, there's my doggos. My doggo's making an appearance. The next product that I have, and there is branding on the front and the back, it is such a cute little package, is actually a violet... a Violet Voss single eyeshadow in Are You Kitten Me? As in kitten. And I didn't talk about the It Superhero. So the It Superhero full size is $25. The Violet Voss retail value for the eyeshadow is $16. And so let's open it up and check out what color this is. I like the outside. It's kind of like almost a velvety. And here is the package, beautiful branding, I do like that. Are you kidding me? Oh, that amuses me. And there is the shade there. It's kind of, it looks like a matte, but I'm having a hard time telling. It does feel very velvety. Let's kind of swatch that. And that is very matte right there. Kind of just a matte brownish beige color. Good crease color, very similar to what I have in my crease now. I like it. Yeah, it's a good single shadow. I really like the outside of the packaging the best. I think that is just a beautiful box. I know that's funny that I really like the box. The next product that I am pulling out here is the Il Masca. And this is the Skin Base Foundation in 4.5. So this foundation has the ability to create a flawless complexion, lightweight and supremely blendable. It won't look thick or cakey. It has been tested in HD environments to look like a second skin. It says you only need a pea-size amount. A little product goes a long way. The full size, which is 30 mLs, is $44. This is nowhere close to, this is only 7 mLs, but let's check it out and see. There is, I'll put a little bit of a dot of the color on there. And so they are saying pea-sized amount is enough to cover your full face. That is almost a pea-sized amount. It's hard to get only a little bit. And wow, that is kind of a little bit light for me. Yeah. Wow, 4.5 I was thinking would be a little bit darker, but there's nothing wrong with that. It does feel very, very lightweight. It, compared to my other hand, has covered a little bit of the veins and those kind of things. Huh. Well, that is interesting. I'm kind of excited to try that. Okay, so there's that. That is a kind of a cool little thing. Next product that I have, Lasting Smiles Organic Lip Balm in Peppermint Cream. And this is a full-size product, of course, retail value $5.99. I am always one, I'm a lip balm, lip oil fiend. I have tried a billion different kinds. Some I like, some I don't. Oh, and it smells just like a peppermint cream. Oh, that is wonderful, like an Andes mint almost. Yeah, like an Andes mint. I like that. So we'll have to see what that feels like on the lips. I'm super excited to try that. It is cruelty-free, which I do really appreciate. And then my last product in here is the Beauty for Real Lip Gloss and Shine in Nudist. So this has a minty feel so that it feels refreshing. It is infused with aloe vera and avocado oil for long-lasting moisture and grapeseed and green tea extract to protect and deliver essential vitamins to your lips. Full size is $18. Again, this is not a full size. And let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh, this has a sealed package all the way around. Oh, jeepers creepers. Packaging on top of packaging. I'm actually going to swatch it on this hand since I have the foundation on this hand. And it looks like a very sheer color, and you can hardly even see that. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, let's get a little bit more out. Let's see if we can build that up. So it's pretty. It is extremely sheer and extremely bare in color. It is definitely not as dark as this. Although on lips, I don't know if it would show up a little bit darker, but certainly not very dark on there. I don't really smell a whole lot. Maybe the slightest bit of mintness, but not a whole lot. But that's my bag. That is my bag for the month of December. I am super excited about that foundation. I was not sure that I would be excited about that, but very cool. And then, of course, always up for another It's Superhero Mascara. I am also excited because next month, so January, we'll get the Ipsy and we'll do the Ipsy Glam bag, just like this month. But then next month, February, I did sign up for the Glam Bag X, which is replacing that highest tier for Ipsy, and it will come out quarterly instead of every month. And it's a different value and all kinds of different higher end products, kind of like a BoxyCharm Luxe is similar. And I don't know, for those of you, I know this has been on YouTube, so it's late to the game, but Ipsy did purchase BoxyCharm, so it'll be interesting to see with the new year, are there any changes for both of them, for any of them? We'll see what happens with all of that. Let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy bags. Are you loving them right now? What product are you dying to try? I loved having you here with me today. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.